Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you make any purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 257. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here, so this is our 2. Don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're just missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 there and a 9 there, so this is our 8. No other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. I am suspecting a mistake already. That has to be our 8, which would make this our 9 and our 8. Okay, yeah, that's all right. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're just missing a 1. And so for this box, we're only missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 5. 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 5, and that makes this our 3. For this box, then, we're only missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. And I don't see any help, so 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 2. Oh, we have a 9 here. That 9 makes this a 2 and a 9. So now we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 1, 2. For this row, looks like we're missing 4 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 and 7 here. So this is our 9, a 1 here, so 7, 1. And now we're just left with these 4 and 5 boxes that we can just fill in however we want. 4 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.